नहीं नहीं. Hello student, this is a very important topic during the case taking. It's a very important. Just find out what is the patient you tell you. How to diagnosis, how to find out, or how to judge the mind, your patient, suicidal mind, suicidal thought, and so many things. During the case taking you are facing, sometimes doctor are neglected. हेलो स्टूडेंट, आवाज आ रही है आपके पास में? आर यू लिसनिंग मी? इट्स ऑडिबल? माइक्रोफोन ऑफ करके एक बार मुझे बताएं.
Yes, sir, it's audible.
आ रही है आवाज? So today topic is suicidal mind. So what is the suicidal mind and what is the repertoire help in this suicidal mind? Find out. To know your patient, a perfect case taking and perfectly interrogation to find out the hidden personality of the patient by the physician. What is your patient's mood? It is a very important to find out the mood. What is the form? Doctor, I am feeling bad. This is good. Okay, I give the medicine, you feel more better. This is nothing. It is not a light thing. It's a very important thing. You just alert on this point. The skillful case taking make a perfect sketch of ill person. Every point, every word is very important. Once you listen a word, I am not feel better, doctor. I am depressed. So why do people consider suicide? The following mental health concern can increase someone's risk of having a suicidal thought. Now, it's simply depression. Depression is the main cause of the suicide. The patient at long term and short term are there, depressed are there. How to determine the depressions? How to remove from the depression? This is counseling? Nothing. Counseling it is a half 50% are support. Now, second point is psychosis. Third point is substance uses disorder. Now, the bipolar disorder, post traumatic stress disorder. All the points are create two words suicide. Depression, depressed. The person had to immediately decide the suicide, a suicidal thought. Psychosis, something mental illnesses. mental illnesses, substance usage disorder, something abuse of drugs, alcohol. There's a trigger out the immediately suicidal thought. Now, very important point, the bipolar disorder. What is the bipolar? These episodes of mood swing ranging from depressive, low of manic high, sadness, apprehensive. This is a bipolar disorder. There's a behavioral irritability, risk taking, behavioralness, discouragedness, behaviors, aggressive, agitations, crying also, excessive desire for sex, hyperactivity, impulsivity, restlessness, or self-harm. This is a man bipolar disorder behavioral. Student, you just find out the behave. You just asking the patient attendant, what is a behave in 2 days? Now last 10 days, 15 days, last month, 1 month are there. Now the increase the irritability, behavior discouraged, behaviors, aggressiveness, agitation. This is a hyper and they are crying also. Increase. This is a very trigger point. Always this is the alert you have behave. Your case taking mention. This is a red line symptom. Behavioral changes are there last few days. Cognitive, unwanted thought, delusion, lack of concentration, racing thought, slowness in activity, or false belief of superiority. Now there's a psychologically, there's a depression, manic episodes, agitated, depression or paranoid. Deep emotional pain often plan to significant past to suicidal behavior and risk to suicide also. Now, the post-traumatic stress, any traumatic, the love affections are there, any injury are there, any disease are there, there's a trigger out, the post-traumatic disorder, stress disorder. Deep emotional pain often play a significant part in suicidal behavior and risks of suicidal. Facing more than one type of distress can sometimes increasing suicidal risk. Example, breakup or loss of significant other. The person have taking the abuse of alcohol, abuse of the tobacco, smoking are there increase. Loss of child or close friends. This is a very, very harmful for the patient mind. When you sometimes you case the taking, my child are lost. This is a trigger out. The patient are saved. Not not too easy. And now close friend counseling the patient must, because you find out the patient had lost the child or close the friend or close relative are there, close mother, father, brother, sister also are there. This is the point. You just save the patient. Now the financial distress, I have lost the lot of in the business. This is a trigger out. Persistent feeling of failure of shame. This is a mortification. Sometimes insulting in mob. Serious medical conditions or terminal illnesses. Last conditions are there. Nowadays, we have the facing of the COVID-19. The terminal conditions when the report are positive. The many patients nowadays, every 5 days, every 5 days are facing the, sometimes they have a patient are suicide are there because they terminal illness. Then they are not facing the uh, complications of the particular disease or COVID are there. So these are serious medical conditions. The patient, the immediately diagnosis, the patient are sometimes the cancer or tumor in brain. This is a very hurting. The patient are, they have not, the patient immediately decide. I have not saved my life. I am just commit the suicide because I am not good in future. Legal trouble, such as being convicted at crime. Sometimes the legally are there catch by the patient and they have not removed. They are catching. Uh, Sometimes they have decided I have not legally win particular case or crime. So they lastly and finally they have to decide I am suicide. Adverse childhood experience like trauma, abuse, or bullying. Adverse childhood experience. The child uh, childhood. Childhood is very soft age. Are there. Every minute, every moment are there. Remember. So childhood is the experience like trauma, an injury, mentally or physically, abuse by a mother. Those are the stepmother are there. Bullying, the father are there. The bullying or their depressed the emotions. And this next point are discriminations, racism, or other challenges related being the immigrated or minorities. Having a great identity of a sexual orientations that is supported by family or friend, someone dealing with depression, financial difficulties due to job loss and legal troubles could have a higher society risk than someone only dealing with one of the concerned. They are supported by does not support by family. They are supporting you the patient, counseling, surrounding the family member by the particular person. They had the save, the feeling the save. Nothing it is also, but they have to feel I have lost everything. Nobody can save me. And they finally concert suicide. So this is a reading to your mind during the case taking. This is a some point are there. Once you find a trigger out there patient by the patient, you just alert. This is a risky factor. How can I tell you someone thinking about suicide? It is not always possible to tell the someone's considering suicide. Expert agree that a number of warning signs can suggest a person might have a suicide on their mind, but not everyone show their sign. It is also important to keep in mind that simply thinking about suicide does not automatically lead to attempt. What's more, those this warning sign does not always mean the someone's contemporary suicide. That being said, if ill persons who show any of the following sign of its best of encourage them to talk during us taking as soon as possible. This is a case taking part. Once you trigger the point, the being said if ill person who show any of the following sign, above sign are there. This is alert sign. This is alert sign. You must be alert. This sign including talking about the death of violence, taking about talking about the dying or wanting to dying, assessing weapons or things that could be used by suicide, such a large amount of certain over-the-counter or prescriptions medicines, rapid change of in mood, talking about the feeling trapped, hopeless, worthless, or they are the burden of other impulsive or risky behavior, including substances misuse, reckless driving, or presenting extreme sportsy unsafely, withdrawal from friend, family or social activity, this is a trigger point also. You must be noticed. The patient are aloof. They have not concerned with the connected with the friends, family member. They avoiding the family. They avoid the social gathering also. Sleeping more or less than unusual. Extreme anxiety of agitations and calm or quiet mood, especially of an agitated or emotional behavior. Even if they are not considering suicide, this sign may still suggest something serious is going on. Always alert, nothing too casual. While it is important to look at the whole picture and not assume this sign always indicated suicidality, it is also best to take this sign seriously if someone show concerning sign or symptoms, checking in one them and ask how they are feeling. So, dear students, repertory are very helpful. After the case taking, you just analyze the case, you just find out the very important rubric. Directly can repertory. I'm just explaining some rubric also there. They're not taking the possible to every rubric are explained in the one visit or one lecture also. It's just indicated. You just refer the repertory frequently, and I give you advice also, student. You just refer the repertory particular symptoms also. Not the can repertory. Refer to always every repertory, gentry, NER repertory, can repertory, BBCR, and all the important repertory. Manually the reference. You just got the important and you improve your case taking also. This is alertness also mind. This is a important symptoms or this is an important rubric. Now also suicidal disposition, page number 85 mentioned in Kent repertory. Kent suicide is a depressed and last moment. This is a very important symptom. Sadness, mental depression, morose. This is a sadness also. Mortification element after. Page number 68. After insulting in mob, there's a very insulting. The head has decided I have feel insulting. I am not cope up my society. So it is a last moment. This is a very important. This is a alerting sign also. Mortification elements after. So many medicines are there. Page number 68 mentioned. Remorse, 71 page number. Sadness and mental depression. Anguish, anxiety, fear also. This is a fear. Misfortune. Page number 46. Fear suicide. 47. Why the person are fear about suicide? I am fear about suicide. The patient I tell you. Some things are going in the mind during the suicide thoughts are also. So why there the person are fear suicide? The suicide is not a routine work. So I am fear of suicide. I am fear of suicide mean something wrong with in mind. You just read your mind, patient. 4 second feeling. The patient or person are feeling 4 second. Something leave. Injury fear to left alone. List he should himself. 56 page number. Get weary of life. It is nothing in life. I should give up the life. Loathing of life, brooding, brooding of life. This is a very important. Brooding. The person are brood. The thought are congestion of thought in brain. There's a brooding. The continuously thoughting. Next is very important. OV. This is ennui. Ennui. A feeling of listlessness and dissatisfactions arising from the lack of occupation or excitement. This is a nothing. This is a ennui. It's a pronunciation is ennui. Always remember the pronunciation. You must be correct. This is ennui. Page number 92. Again, vary of life. Nothing is life. Nothing life is positive. There's a vary of life. There's a tiredness of life. Singing. Discouraged. Now the despair. It's a very important. Despair. Last is nothing. Despair. This is a hopelessness. The hopeless. Extreme hopeless. Despondence. This is also hopeless feeling. The Kant are very easily and very clearly mentioned in and different rubrics, different feeling are there. This is feel symptoms, hopelessness, feeling of. This is very important. Why the patient are explain the hopelessness? What is going on? Why do you feel the hopelessness and helplessness are also? So despair is a hopelessness, helplessness feeling, and remorse. This is a bitter represent, regret, remorse. This is a very important. Also rubric, sullen, haunted. Now the very important repertory, it's a Gentry repertory. The concordance repertory of the Mathematica William D. Gentry, MD. The volume are first. The clearly mention is very, very important symptoms in this rubric because the patient language are there, proving language are there. Patient also explain the same way. Now SUI, SU, which is suicidal tendency. I mentioned some medicine are first grade medicine, Aurum, Naza, and Nux vomica. What is the difference Aurum, Naza, and Nux vomica? Clearly mentioned next. Mental depression with S means suicide. Student, this is a Gentry repertory. This is a small letter and this is a full stop. The mental depression with the S means suicide. Tendency. This is a Simsifuga. You read the Simsifuga, the pattern, this pattern also, you feel Simsifuga. Simsifuga mood, suicide mood, tired of life, lachesis. Suicide, insanity, Aurum, Naja also, and Nux vomica. Sad, depressed, even suicide thoughts, sorinum. Low spirited with serious expression of face with suicide mood, rumex, gloom, suicide mood, suicide determined to committed suicide, he suffers so, arsenic, haunted by disposition to suicide, capsicum. Student, you mean the haunted? Haunted by the disposition to suicide. This is capsicum. The persons are go friendly. Those are place are decided. This place I have to give my last breath or suicide point. To frequently visit, they have to decide when I were the drawing or jumping from this place, the haunted by the disposition to a suicide, capsicum only medicines, inconsolable anxiety even to suicide. There's a China, anxiety with flashes of heat when alone, especially in evening also, when awaking at night, as if would impel him to commit, as means suicide only medicines, Drosera. Next page had to explain the concordance repertory and Gentry repertory, low spirit, depressed, even to thought of suicide, hypercells, very important medicines. Great anxiety with inclination to commit suicide, Aurum and Naza, but is afraid to die, much lamenting and weeping, Laminating. They had the very important laminating and weeping. They lay down. They're the crying to weep and weeping naxomika. But they have not craze about the society. Anxiety about the heart. Heart in evening, even to suicide, pulsatilla. Disposition to suicide, commit suicide. Arsenic, aurum, hipposurf, naxmomica, and pulsatilla. Pulsatilla also decided, I am commit the suicide immediately. Slay disposition to suicide. Slay mean cunning, mischievous persons had disposition to suicide. Cunning person had decided. Cunning. Slay. This is aurum metallicum. Want to commit suicide by drawing. This is very important. Just ask, अगर आप मरना चाहते हैं तो कैसे मरना चाहते हैं? कैसे मरना पसंद करेंगे आप? डॉक्टर साहब मैं डूब के मरना पसंद करूंगा. This is a commit by suicide drawing. Want to commit by hanging. Only medicines arsenic. The persons are give you idea. मैं हैंग करके मरना पसंद करूंगा डॉक्टर साहब, बाकी तो और मुझे कोई ऑप्शन पसंद नहीं है. Only arsenic medicines. Want to commit by shooting. Entum crude, aurum metallicum, carbovace, hipposurf, naxmomica, and again pulsatilla. This is a misprint. This is a pulsatilla. Want to commit suicide by throwing himself from a height. Always height. The preference the height. कैसे मरना पसंद करेंगे? हाइट से मरना पसंद करेंगे. This is only medicines belladonna. You give the higher potency of belladonna, the thought are immediately dissolved. Again, depression, despair, depressions about the position to society, feeling very unhappy, Veretum album. Despairing, depressions, sadness, woeful depression mood. Page number 30. Many medicines are there. You just refer students and you just got the many medicines to save the patient. Despair, despondency, disposition, extreme, helpless, hopeless are also. Despondency, despondent, disposition, haunted by suicide. Capsicum, page number 34. Emotional, emotions, miserable emotion, dejected feeling, dejected. This is the only medicine. Students, Simsifuga, you read carefully Simsifuga, you just find out the patient Simsifuga and save the patient particularly. It's very important. Misfortune. Page number 93. Clavibindar. Very important repartee. There is no word about the repartee. So give the many medicines are, and they give the clue. Now suicide, anxiety, page number 73. Suicide attempt, suicide desire for, suicide drawing, herself desire to. Again, the same rubric. Suicide hang attempt to, suicide haunted by, suicide mania, and they had a repeatedly suicidal attempt. Suicide mind. They always thought of the suicide. डॉक्टर साहब मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा सुसाइड का थॉट रहता है. सुसाइड डिटरमाइंड टू कमिट इट बट कैन नॉट मेक अप हर माइंड. हाउ सुसाइड tried to end of suffering by eating phosphorus from matches after business embarrassment, only and only medicines, the ignitia. Any person, those are the businessmen, and they have to lose and hidden. They have to eat match phosphorus. The only medicine you give, the ignitia 10M or CM, you just save the particular person. Definitely, student. Suicidal asks questions as to quiz and most certain way. There is the first only medicine, leg defuratum. Suicide want to kill himself with sharp weapon, alumina. Suicide inclined to by shooting. Suicide step himself one two. Suicide thought of. Now the reference are there. Reference: depression, despair, hypochondriasis, life weary of, melancholy, moody, morose, and sad. This is a other reference rubric, and just refer to improve your case taking. Now other mind rubric those are related with the suicidal. The suicidal, aurum and nitrum cells. Drawing by, hanging by, homesickness from, knife sing on, shooting by, starvation by, throwing himself from the height or windows, under the cure, tired of life, despairing of discouraged hopelessness, 198 page number, guilt, remorse, condemnation, feeling, restlessness, recognizing feeling the recognized person to him, her family, his family, sorry, etc. The page number 214, more feeling lack of, 212. This is all, but nothing is the end. This is a many rubric. You just observe, record the patient. You feel this is my patient and you save life. Student, repeatedly you refer the repertory and improve your case taking format. And in your mind, you just record your patient body language, thought. So this is a not end. This is beginning with the read your different repertory and find out the suicidal and different mind repertory. Now, student, there's a thanks to attend and listen me. But you just analysis your case. First of all, you save the life. You save the life. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.